And yeah, was she at the girl? Honk your horn!
Honk your horn!
Yeah!
Let's go, let's go. Wait, who is that? Who is that? Who's that?
It's the cool guys like that who actually do honk your horn.
Right, here's another one. Honk your horn.
Honk your horn! Honk it!
Yeah!
People actually do it around
Right
here. When we do it in our area, nobody does it.
Really?
Yeah. Like they'll either flip us off or just be like, yeah. They think we're cheering on their car or something.
Oh shit, it's Griffin. It's Griffin. Shit. Let's go. Quick. Run!
This is trash shit!
Hide.
Griffin sucks balls!
Shit, it's coming. Be still. Honk your horn. Oh, it's a kid, I don't know. Okay, keep walking.
Oh.
Honk your horn.
Honk your horn.
Honk your horn!
Honk it!
Yeah!
Yeah!
Oh yeah, multiple people.
Honk your horn!
Aw, bitch.
God, bitch. Honk your horn!
Honk your horn!
Honk it!
Yeah! Let's go before Griffin's coming. I can't run anymore.
Yes.
Come on.
Hi, Griffin.
Rashad, let's go! Hurry up. Safety. Oh, safety. I've been holding these in since school. Oh, yeah, safety.
You hold it in all day?
Yes, I don't
You
fart
do
in
realize that it accumulates and it that's not like the stinkiest fart you could ever do when
Yeah.
it comes out, right?
Hmm?
You should do that in class once. Like when you're leaving class,
Yeah.
just fart like and then leave.
Squirrel.
Hey, a black squirrel. Why are all the white squirrels running away from it? Racists!
You racist squirrel!
What's wrong with the black squirrel?
Yeah, you guys should marry each other. Maybe make out, have sex.
Yeah, then they'll have a gray squirrel.
Yeah. Maybe
It's a racial relationships for the win.
Yeah. Don't run away from us.
Don't run away from your feelings.
You'll be famous, you stupid squirrel. Wait, I hear a bus.
Oh, you're videotaping? Are you
Embrace your feelings.
Shut up.
Okay.
All right, walk, go, move. You're in my shot. Well, your
Are you
feet.
gonna be on INF5?
No, I'm posting this on YouTube.
Are you gonna be
Yo,
on
car.
Yo.
What?
Are you gonna be on INF5?
Honk your horn. Honk it.
Ass. Honk your horn. Honk your horn.
Honk it.
Your ass.
Bretch. Oh, here we go.
Oh, this is my mom.
Honk your horn.